Hello friends, today's Google Doodle celebrate Fredy Hirsch 105th birthday. Fredy Hirsch, a German athletic sport teacher. Google has replaced its homepage logo with animated doodle in Germany. Today's doodle celebrate the 105th birthday of German and Jewish educator and athletic Fredy Hirsch, known for his charismatic spirit and commitment in supporting children. Hirsch helped save Jewish youth during the World War II and enrich their lives with arts. Alfred Fredy Hirsch was born on 11 February 1916 in Aachen, Germany, where he started his career as a teacher at the several Jewish youth organizations and sports associations. He was openly gay at a time when queer people were being prosecuted by the growing Nazi Party. In an effort to escape, Hirsch sought the refuge in Czechoslovakia until the Nazi regime invaded the country and deported him to Terezin Ghetto and later Auschwitz in 1943. Against all odds, Hirsch continued teaching and set up the children daycare. He did everything in his power to give hope to youth in his blog organization concerned, encouraging children to paint scenes from the fairy tales and even salvaging tin cans to help children create sculpture. Happy birthday, Freddie Hirsch. Here's to an indomitable hero who reminds the world to push forth with courage and optimism, even during the most trying of times. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel.